हेलो माय डियर व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू शिक्षान मेट यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स क्लास 12th। एक एक क्वेश्चन बहुत ही अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया जाएगा, तो आपको कोई डाउट नहीं बचेगा। सारे के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो जाएंगे। तो करते हैं सैम्पल पेपर का डिस्कशन स्टार्ट। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो, इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू आवर चैनल, सबसे पहला काम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए, सो दैट आगे आने वाले जितने भी लाइव सेशंस, इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस, वो सब की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपके पास पहुँचे। अगर वीडियो पसंद आती है, एक लाइक वीडियो को ज़रूर दें, एंड आफ्टर दिस डू शेयर योर रिव्यूज़ इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Our first question is, what is internet? Internet is a network of networks which came into existence in 1990s. It allows computers of different types to exchange information and is known as internet. Millions of domestic, business, and government networks are connected with each other for the purpose of sharing files, data, email, etc. Now moving on to the next question. What is network? A network is a collection of interconnected computers in which two computers or devices are said to be interconnected if they are capable of sharing and exchanging information by following a protocol. Here protocol means basically set of rules. Now our next question is, what are the various types of topologies? So basically there are 5 types of topologies, and each topology has some advantages and disadvantages. And those 5 topologies are mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, ring topology, and tree topology. Now our fourth question is, what is the range of frequency for radio waves? So as you all know, it is from 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz. Now moving on to the next question, 18 Gbps is equal to how many bits per second? So it's 2 raised to power 30 bits per second. In sixth question, we are asked to write short notes on the following topics. Starting with the bandwidth. So what is bandwidth? So it is the amount of data that can be passed along a communication channel in a given period of time, and terms as bandwidth. Second part is Bluetooth. So we can write like this, that Bluetooth refers to a telecommunication industry specification that defines how different devices can be connected virtually and transfer information among each other. Bluetooth technology is commonly used in various portable devices such as laptops and PDAs to establish a wireless connection in the form of wireless LAN. Next, DNS is a naming database in which internet domain names are located and translated into Internet Protocol IP address. The full form of DNS is Domain Name System. The domain name system maps the name people use to locate a website to the IP address that a computer uses to locate that website. Now, what is data transfer rate? It is the amount of data transferred in one direction over a link divided by the time taken to transfer it in bits per second. The various measuring units are bits per second (bps) and bytes per second (bps) or baud, kilobits per second (kbps), megabits per second (mbps), gigabits per second (gbps), terabits per second (tbps). Then what is HTTP? Its full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and is used to transfer all files and other data, collectively called resources, from one computer to another on the World Wide Web. This protocol is used to transfer hypertext documents over the internet. It defines how the data is formatted and transmitted over the network. Hope you are enjoying the video. If you haven't liked the video yet, go hit the like button. Now let's continue. Two universities in different states want to transfer information. Which type of network do they need to use for this? For this, they need wide area network. Since distance between two states is very high for LANs and MANs, therefore they will be connected with WAN, wide area network. Now in next question, we are asked to draw a network layout of star topology and bus topology connecting 5 networks. And here, as you can see on the screen, this is the network layout of star topology, and this is the network layout of the bus topology. Now our next question is a case-based question, so let's read it out. Rohit, a class 11 student, has just started understanding the basics of internet and web technologies. He is a bit confused about the terms World Wide Web and internet. Help him understand both the terms with the help of suitable examples of each. So we can help him by making him understand about these two terms, World Wide Web and internet. Now, as already discussed in the first question, that Internet is the network of networks all over the globe. It is a global network consisting of billions of devices connected to it, communicating and sharing information. Before World Wide Web, the information sharing over the network is very complicated. If Rohit wants to access a file or text on some other computer, then he needs to log into the other computer. Only then information is visible to him. After the creation of World Wide Web, information sharing becomes easy as anyone can create a website on its computer and make it visible to all the networks. World Wide Web is implemented using three most important protocols: HTML, HTTP, and URL. Next question is describe bus topology and star topology. So bus topology is a multi-point configuration, that is, several devices are connected to a main long cable, usually coaxial cable, which acts as a backbone. The data flows from one end of the cable to the other. The cable has terminators at both ends which absorb signals when the signal reaches the end, preventing signal bounce. However, as the signal travels a long distance, it becomes weaker and weaker. Now, what is star topology? In star topology, each communicating device is connected to a central controller called hub or switch. Unlike mesh topology, the devices in star topology stand and receive data indirectly. The data passes to and from the hub. Now in our next question, we are given to define some terms. First term is baud. So baud is basically the number of changes in a signal per second. It is the measuring unit of the data transfer rate. Technically, baud refers to the number of discrete signal elements transmitted per second. One baud represents only one signal change per second and it's equivalent to 1 bit per second. One baud represents only one signal change per second and is equivalent to 1 bit per second. Now in next part, what is communication channel? So a communication channel is a communication path through which the data is transmitted from the sender device to the receiver device. Next, the hub is a multi-port unit intelligent network device which simply transfers data from one port of the network to another. A hub is a hardware device used to connect several computers together with different ports. Next, what is repeater? Repeater is a device. It is an electronic device that receives a signal before it comes to weak and regenerates the original signal. Also, it is a two-port network device that strengthens the signal intensity and connects two identical networks. Now question 12 says define GSM and GPRS wireless communication system. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It provides its subscriber with roaming facility so that they can use their mobile phones all over the world to communicate with each other. GSM provides digital signaling as well as digital call facility and is so considered as a second generation mobile phone system. On the other hand, GPRS or General Packet Radio Services provides various features over 2G phones with respect to high-speed data transfer. Using GPRS technology, a user can make a call and at the same time receive a message without disconnecting to the call. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it. Thanks for watching.